Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Today we will see how apps works in Shopify admin. Okay, in Shopify admin you will see a button of apps under discount above sales channels. If you click on apps you will have this screen at your admin panel in Shopify. Okay, in here in Shopify we have apps that is used for custom functionalities like the more functions that you want in your store and you can't achieve it with the present options available in store and in settings, but you want that extra option like something that can be achieved customly for your own purpose. So you have to click on this customize your store, and then you will have this Shopify app store link open in the next window for if you are logged in into your Shopify account like this. So in here you can see there are multiple free apps, there are paid apps available, so you can just click on it and you can install your apps. After installing, it will be like this in your stores. You can also develop your apps. If you are a Shopify apps developer, then you will have this option available here. So we'll look more deep into the Shopify apps, like what apps are useful for getting conversions rate higher in Shopify. So please be in touch with us, like the video, subscribe the channel and keep watching. So we'll be coming up after this Shopify store development playlist with like more than 400 or 500 videos. We are coming with another playlist that will be Shopify app optimization for your Shopify store. So in that optimization app playlist you will see that there will be a lot of apps we will be dealing customizing and showing you that what apps are useful in getting much higher conversions on your store that are must apps for Shopify. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.